Morning everyone, how are you? You ready for a pin unboxing? We haven't done that for a while, have we? And I've got some new Toy Story 4 boxes. So join me the other side of the intro and let's see what pins I get. Hit it, maestro! How are you? It's a beautiful day here in England. I've got my window, my door open on my dining room. So if you hear noises or chimes going, that's my outside wind charm. So yeah, it's so hot. I needed the door open. But anyway, I have got not one, not two, but 3 boxes of the new Toy Story 4 pins. And these have come all the way from Hong Kong because at the time they didn't have them in Walt Disney World. So I've got 3 boxes and the chance of getting 6 different pins. So shall we see what pins are available? So there's actually 10 in the set. So that is what you can get. So you've got Woody and Bo. You've got Forky, Jessie and Ham. You've got Woody and Jessie, Let's Ride. You've got Happy Ducky. You've got Pizza Planet with the aliens. And at the bottom there, you've got Buzz and you've got Rex. So those are the 10 pins that are available. Now, if I could choose, I would choose definitely Forky and the aliens. I would also choose Let's Ride and Woody as the cowboy, I think. So those 4 would be the ones that I would choose, most definitely. These boxes over in Hong Kong were 105 Hong Kong dollars, which I think is about $10. Is that right? I didn't pay $10, but I think that's about the price of them. So if I'm right, that's a lot less than they are in Disney World, isn't it? But there you go. So first box. Now what Daniel does when he sends me the pins is he collapses the boxes so that he can bubble wrap all the pins. So let's cut them out of the bubble wrap. So, the first 2 little black baggies. Oh, ripped nice and easy. So which one have we got? You can see first. Oh, we got a ham. So we got a ham. These are really nice size pins, aren't they? I mean, if you look, you know, it's a good size compared to my finger. Oh, those are really nice. Really shiny. Right, so let's put them on my little pin board so we can do a close-up after. Right, next one. Now there might be doubles because I put them all back in the boxes, so because they're all loose with the bubble wrap on. So let's see. No! Forky! Yay! Oh, that's fabulous. Love that. So, 1 box down. Right, he said to me, where's the look? Anybody who's their first time watching, what I say is I need lots of luck. Now, I'm in the UK, so I know it takes a bit longer for everybody over in the States to send me luck, but Australia takes a lot longer. Europe's closer, so if we start with Europe first, then America, then Australia, we need luck. Yes, I have lost the plot. It happened a long time ago. Right, new box. And let's cut these out. See what I mean? They're all wrapped up in little bubble wrap. So, right, next one. These are really nice pins. This is the Buzz one. These are they're really nice quality. Look at the sheen on them. You know, for a mystery box set, because sometimes they get it right and sometimes they don't they? These are really lovely. Good quality. Right, let's put that on there. Next one. I won't look, I'll let you see this one. Oh, so we got the Jessie one. See, that just reminds me of the Toy Story opening day. Oh, it was amazing. If you haven't watched those videos, go and watch those. They're down below. I got to meet my Diva sisters then. I got to meet Mitzi and Melissa at the Toy Story opening. That was the first time and the only time so far we've actually met. We're meeting up again at Star Wars opening. So yes, I met them and it was amazing. You know when you just bond and you just click. I also bumped into Tim Tracker, I did, and I bumped into Prince Charming Dev and the Walt Disney World couple and Paige and Mr. Morrow. And oh yeah, Scott. Everyone was just so wonderful and so lovely. So yeah, go and catch it down on the videos down below. I'll link it at the end of this one so you can click on the links to watch them. So yeah, lovely, lovely people. I think what it is we've all got a common ground, haven't we? So we all understand each other and we all understand, you know, the fun we have, but also the technical bit and how difficult some things are. So how time consuming it is to edit a travel video compared to one that you do in the house. So this one will be really quick to edit, but one I do outside of the house is really lengthy. And you know, it's all of those and we all share that and it's incredibly special, incredibly special. Right, so then, next one, what we got? Oh, we've got duplicates. Daniel, it's no good. I've got another ham, so I've got 2 little piggies. And that one's definitely going to market. Oh, Karen, you are cruel. Right, next one. Oh, I've got a duplicate Forky, so I don't mind that. Good trader. Oh, so possibly got a duplicate box then, possibly. But so those are the 4 out of the 10 I've got so far. So I've got Ham, Buzz, Jessie and Forky. But I'm so glad I've got that Forky pin because he really is a character. So if you haven't seen the movie, go and see it. Don't listen to anyone else's review, make your own mind up. That's what I always say, make your own mind up. And it's only a movie, it's not like it's a huge cost. Go and see it. It's only a huge cost if you have popcorn and chocolate and ice cream and Coke and you don't take them in your bag. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. We're going to do some more unboxings, haven't we? We haven't done them for ages. Take care of yourselves. If you haven't already, please subscribe at the end of the video and click the notification bell. And give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed this unboxing. But be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.